Today I will tell you about self-confidence. Do you know that confidence is play a very important role in every person's life? If any person have a lack of confidence, then he don't achieve anything properly. He achieve it, but not just like a confident person. You saw those person. First, one person who has a lot of confidence and one person who have a lot of knowledge but lack of confidence. Then you saw that the person who have a lot of confidence, he do any work easily. Means he don't fear about that what the people say and what our society think. But those people who have a lot of knowledge and they have a lack of courage and they think that what the old people say and what the society people say. So don't think about that what the mentality of people, because people are also tolerate to anyone, to everyone, because they don't want that anyone go ahead than them. So if a person, I don't say that any person who have a lot of confidence, he all time win in his life. He many times they take wrong steps. But those person who have a lot of confidence, he learn many things because of his mistakes, and he got a lot of experience because of his mistakes. Then he think that if I do this mistake, then I learn something more then. And if you fear that if you do this, then if it is wrong, then what our society think, then you don't learn anything, any big thing, and you don't achieve any big thing in your life. If you saw our Prime Minister in his childhood, he sell the tea. And if they think that I sell the tea, then I don't do any big thing in his life. If he have a lack of courage and also confidence, then he don't get the post of PM. So that's why, in my opinion, confidence is get first position in everything. If you have confidence, then you do any hard work. Means knowledge is also important, but confidence is very important than knowledge. So if any person want to achieve anything in his life, just like he want to crack any exam and he want to get any big job, then first he build up his confidence. You know that confidence is not built in a one day. When you know about some small things and you do some courageous work, not a big but some, and after that you feel something confident, then you do this and many people hesitate about it, then you think, then you feel something confidence, not more, but you feel some confidence. And when you collect your confidence, means build your confidence, then you do anything in your life. So if just you saw just our children, he do anything, he don't know about it, this is right or wrong, but you know that he has a lot of courage and he do anything what you said to them. He don't ask you that why I do this, and he do it, and after that you saw his face, he feel very happy because of he has a lot of courage. But you know that if I said that in my childhood I do many courageous work and that time I feel very happy, but now if anyone said to me then you do this, what my society person say. If you do any work with confidence, then people give you more respect than a normal person. They come near to you then and ask and they take some advices than you because they think that those person never feel fear with anyone. He do every work with confidence and he give me something important points. So in my opinion, first and every person make confidence and after that knowledge is important. First is important confidence. If you have confidence, then you do anything in your life. So that's all about it.